In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can add a Google gadget to our web page. Now this will involve a little bit of scripting, but it will help you get a higher grade. So first thing you need to do is go to Google and search for Google Gadgets. And then we want a Google gadget for our web page. So click on this link here, it says Google Gadgets for your web page. Now, it's up to you what gadget you add, but it needs to be relevant for your web page. Now, for the Ashton Towers website, I think I'm going to add a calendar. So I'm going to click Tools on the left-hand side, and I'm going to try the Simply Calendar Google gadget. So I click on Simply Calendar, and then I want to add this to my web page. So I click Add to your web page, and then I get a preview of how it will look on my web page. The settings window down the bottom allows me to change how I want the calendar to look. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a title. And then I'm going to change the color of the border. You can change the background, you can change the text color, and I can even change the language if I wanted to. Once you're happy with how your calendar looks, you need to click on Get the Code. You then need to double click on the code so that it's all selected. Right click, copy, and then go back to your web page. Okay, once you're back on your web page, you need to scroll down and find a place on the page where you'd like the app to appear. So I'm going to just add the calendar here at the bottom. Once I've moved my cursor to the place in the page where I want to put the calendar, I click on Split at the top. And this will show me where in the code my cursor is on the page. So all I need to do is just take out these two paragraph tags. So I highlight them, press delete, then press Ctrl V or right click and paste. And this is the script that we've just copied from the Google Gadgets. Now if you've done this correctly, you should see that the script tags kind of go a light red color, and the rest of the coding goes a blue color. Now the last thing we need to do is actually add some of our own coding. What we want to do is make the calendar appear in the center of the page. To do that, we need to add some center tags. Now to open a bracket, we just do Shift on the keyboard and open bracket and type in center, and then close the bracket. Then if we go to the end of our script and open a bracket and do a backslash, it should automatically detect that we're trying to close the center bracket. Now if we go back to design and press F12 on our keyboard, save the page, let me just preview how it's going to look, and there you go. We have an Ashton Towers theme park calendar powered by Google in our web page. And now it's your turn. Can you try adding some suitable Google gadgets to your website?